Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Voyage 53, where we dive into the coolest tech gadgets for your perfect setup. This is the Royal Kludge RK96, an exciting 96% mechanical keyboard. Is it worth your money? Let's find out. First, it comes with 4 additional switches, supporting 3 or 5 pins for future modes. And mainly, all these switches are pre-lubed, which is pretty amazing. Included is a keycap puller, which is very sharp and hard to use, so I won't recommend using it, and I'll show you why. At the back side, it is armed with a USB-C port and 2 built-in USB ports to connect your mouse and headphones. It also comes with a wireless dongle for connectivity, along with the 5.1 Bluetooth, which is pretty awesome. These buttons look a bit cheap. It also has two-way tilt, which is pretty hard, I would say. Along with that, it comes with a magnetic handrest that has anti-slips under it, which is very sturdy and heavy, and I have been using it for quite a while. The magnets are not too strong, I must say, but it is what you get at this price. Now let's talk about the RGB lighting. With 20 preset modes, customizable brightness and speed setting, the RK96 offers a vibrant, customizable show that can match any vibe. The RGBs can be changed from the keys or the DIY software. The RK96 comes with RK linear switches, and that's how it sounds. It's very clickety. One standout feature, it's hot-swapable, so you don't have to solder if you want to change anything for the switches. It also has a volume knob, which I don't like a lot because it looks very cheap, and it also has a mute and unmute button. The reason why I don't like using this keycap puller is it scratches the beautiful PBT keys, and you see how, so that's why I don't recommend you using it. As the switches are hot swappable, so you can upgrade them according to your own requirement and setup. These are pre-lubed and is pretty amazing. Last but not least, it also comes with a transparent plasticky dust cover, so you can protect your keyboard for a long time. RK96 strikes a perfect balance between foam and function. Sure, it's not a premium mechanical keyboard, but for this price, it's a solid contender. That's it for today's review. Let me know your thoughts about the Royal Kludge RK96 in the comments below. Until next time, happy typing.